If your brush circle is not showing in Photoshop, don't worry, because this is usually a very quick fix. In most cases, the problem is not your brush itself, it is just a cursor setting, a keyboard toggle, or a small Photoshop glitch. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step, so you can get your brush circle back fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful Photoshop fix. Let's get into it. The very first thing you should check is your caps lock key. This is the number one reason the brush circle disappears in Photoshop. When caps lock is turned on, Photoshop changes your brush cursor from the normal circle preview into a precise crosshair target. That means your brush is still there, but the display has changed. So, just tap caps lock once on your keyboard, and in many cases the circle will come back instantly. This is the fastest fix, and it solves the problem for a lot of people right away. If caps lock was not the issue, the next thing to check is your cursor preferences inside Photoshop. Sometimes after an update or a settings change, Photoshop can switch to the wrong cursor style. To fix this, go to the top menu bar, click Edit, then go to Preferences and select Cursors. If you are on a Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings. Then Cursors menu, look for the Painting Cursors section. Make sure that full-size brush tip or normal brush tip is selected. If Precise is selected, Photoshop will force the crosshair cursor instead of the normal brush circle. If you want to see both the circle and the center target point, you can also enable Show Crosshair in Brush Tip. Once you have the correct option selected, click OK and check your brush again. Now let's look at brush size, because this is another very common reason the circle seems to disappear. If your brush is extremely large, the circle can stretch way beyond the edges of your screen, making it look like it is gone. On the other hand, if your brush is extremely tiny, the outline may be so small that you can barely see it. The easiest way to adjust brush size is by using the bracket keys on your keyboard. Tap the left bracket key, which is the tap the right bracket key, which is the key, to make it larger. Keep tapping until the brush circle becomes visible again on your canvas. This simple trick fixes a lot of brush visibility issues without touching any menus. If the circle is still missing, the next step is to reset the brush tool. Sometimes only one tool gets glitched, like the brush tool, clone stamp, or eraser, while the other tools still work normally. To reset it, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard, then look at the top options bar, all the way to the far left, and find the brush tool icon. Right-click directly on that icon. From the menu that appears, choose Reset Tool. If the issue seems to affect multiple brush-based tools, you can also choose Reset All Tools to refresh everything at once. After that, test your brush again and see if the circle returns. If none of those fixes work, you may be dealing with a display or scaling issue, especially if you are using a high-resolution monitor or an external 4K display. In some setups, Photoshop can draw the cursor incorrectly because of system scaling or graphics processor behavior. To check this, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. If your graphics card is properly recognized, click Advanced Settings inside the graphics processor section. From there, try unchecking anti-alias guides and paths, then restart Photoshop. This can help Photoshop redraw the cursor more accurately on certain systems. At this point, one of these fixes should bring your brush circle back. The most important ones to remember are caps lock, brush cursor preferences, and brush size. Those three solve the majority of cases. If you are still having trouble, try restarting Photoshop after making the changes, because sometimes the app needs a fresh reload for the cursor settings to fully update. I hope this helped you fix the brush circle not showing in Photoshop. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Photoshop problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.